Welcome to the Asset Docker tutorial for the Dispose module. After logging in with your admin ID, please navigate to the Disposed tab located in the sidebar and open the Detail subtab. On this page, you will first encounter a statistics card displaying key metrics, total disposals, pending requests, approved items, completed transactions, and the net disposal amount. Next, utilize the filter search options available by ID, requester, method, and date to streamline your review process. The core feature allows you to view detailed information for each individual disposal. By clicking the eye icon, the details will expand to reveal all information submitted during the disposal process. Here, you can also monitor the current status of each request. Pending indicates it awaits approval. While approved signifies it is ready for disposal. To complete the process, simply tap the Action button and select Mark as completed. You will then be prompted to fill out a form containing essential details such as financial information, and buyer or vendor data before finalizing the completion. Users can conveniently switch between pending, approved, and completed records using the filter options at the top of the page. Moving on to the Approval tab, you will find requests awaiting your approval, categorized into single and bulk disposal requests. Please ensure to add remarks when approving each request. Including for bulk approvals. The top status cards will provide information on individual, request counts, and pending totals. The Bulk Disposed tab mirrors the Detail page, displaying any bulk requests created, which can also be filtered by pending, approved, and completed statuses. You will find similar top cards, showcasing statistical counts and filtering options as seen in the Detail page. To initiate a disposal, navigate to the Inventory tab. Here, select items from the inventory list. Please note that only items marked as scrapped can be sent for disposal. Click on Dispose. Confirm by tapping OK, and a pop-up form will appear for you to complete. Detailing the method, buyer cost. An approver's name. For bulk disposals, utilize the Bulk Dispose button at the top, which will display all items with a scrapped status. You can select from this list. Fill in the required information in the form and hit Create. If you wish to dispose of items from the Accessory tab, simply locate the item and send it. directly for disposal without needing to fill out a form. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials.